In this video, we will focus on the visuals that are currently used in IELTS Academic Task 1. The task is designed to assess your ability to process data presented graphically and to analyze and summarize it accurately. In this video, we will walk through the 6 visual types currently used in the test and the specific objectives for each. First is the table. Tables are often used to present raw numerical data or statistics, and they can be both static and dynamic. Unlike graphs, which visually draw the trends for you, a table requires you to identify the patterns in the data yourself. You are expected to analyze the highest and lowest figures and any significant gaps between them. Similar data points must be grouped together to show patterns and trends. Next is the line graph. This is a common format for showing trends and changes over specific periods of time. You are expected to summarize, contrast, and outline these trends and changes. The main risk here is getting lost in the detail. Small deviations should be ignored, focusing instead on reporting the main trends. Then there is the bar chart. The nature of a bar chart lends itself to comparisons of categories and how much they have or are expected to change over time. Axis labels with references to points in time or periods of time normally help to identify if a bar chart is static or dynamic. Pie charts show components of a whole and are commonly presented in percentages. Usually a single pie is static, but if there are multiple pies from different years, the task becomes dynamic. The objective is to compare the proportions. The risk here is over-detailing. If a pie has many tiny slices, listing every percentage should be avoided. Smaller slices may need to be grouped together and allow focus on the major components. Moving away from figures, process diagrams usually show production or generation sequences, or life cycles. They are dynamic by nature and show a flow of action in steps or stages. Your objective is to outline the sequence clearly and maintain the focus on the main features of the process shown. Finally, there are maps. These display physical layouts and geography, usually showing some transformation between the past and the present, or some proposed future layouts. The task is to summarize the physical changes to the landscape or the main differences between the layouts. It is important not to miss the bigger picture. Listing every new tree or building should be avoided. Instead, determining the overall change is essential, and this should be stated in the overview. Regardless of the visual, the key to a high score is selection and an analytical approach. Identifying the main message, filtering out the insignificant details, and using precise vocabulary required for that specific visual type are essential for success. Stay tuned, and in our next videos, we will explain how to deal with each of these task types.